I found the absolute laziest way to start a YouTube channel. You don't need to shoot any videos, you don't even need to shell out for expensive AI tools to create content. All you need to do is copy and paste from other apps, and you'll have your own short video ready in minutes, with zero worries about copyright issues. Let me introduce you to a new niche I recently discovered. This channel has only posted 85 shorts, but has already racked up 1.56 million subscribers. It's mind-blowing. And their earnings? Prepare to be stunned. They're pulling in tens of thousands of dollars every month. They dropped their first short video in January, and it scored 2.4 million views. Since then, every video they've posted has garnered hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of views. So, if you start now, you might still be in time to ride this wave. Let's check out the content.
Put a finger down if you have money in your wallet. Put a finger down, rich edition. If you put over 5 fingers down, you are super rich. Put a finger down if you have food in your fridge. Put a finger down if you have clothes on your body.
It's a mashup of satisfying videos paired with engaging voiceovers that really pull viewers in. The secret to success with these videos is making the audience feel involved, which boosts watch time and completion rates, naturally leading to higher view counts. This is similar to the cartoon quiz videos I shared before, which you can check out if you're interested. So, here's the takeaway. The key to these videos is the voiceover. The visuals? Not so critical. We can totally copy and paste from other apps without any copyright worries. I'll explain why in a bit. Now, let's dive right in. Step 1. Rewrite the script. Yes, you don't need to come up with original ideas. Just mimic what's already out there. This step is super easy, and you can hand it off to ChatGPT. But first, you need to grab the original video script. Head over to Google and search for YouTube video transcript. Pick any service from the results, paste the URL of the video you want into the provided field, and hit the button. Voila, you've got the original script. Now, click copy and paste it into a document. You'll notice the format is all over the place. Spend a minute cleaning it up, turn those fragments into complete sentences, and add proper punctuation. Easy, right? Next, go to ChatGPT. Tell it, please help me rewrite the script below, making sure that the format of each sentence is the same as the original, but the content is different. ChatGPT will quickly churn out a rewritten script. If you're not thrilled with the result, just ask, please write 3 more scripts of the same type for me. This way, you can pick the one you like best, and it reduces the risk of your content being too similar to someone else's, which could lead to demonetization. Alright, now you've got your very own script. Step 2. Turning your script into a voiceover. This step is just as easy. You can use 11 Labs, which I think is the best text-to-speech tool out there right now. Log into your account, and you'll be able to choose a voice you like. You can go to the Voice tab, then My Voices or Library, where you'll find plenty of options. I picked Adam. Click Use Voice, paste your script here, and I recommend generating the speech 1 sentence at a time to make editing easier later on. Hit Generate Speech, give it a listen.
Put a finger down if you have a favorite place to visit.
It sounds just like the original video. Then, click here to download it. Step 3. You need to copy some satisfying video clips from other apps. For this step, I recommend using a VPN to access major Chinese video sites and apps. Why China? Because all the major sites you know are blocked there, meaning 99% of mainland Chinese citizens can't access foreign websites and apps. So, if you copy and paste their videos to YouTube, you can minimize copyright risks. Now, let me show you how to do this. Here are some of the most popular video sites in China. Let's take Xiaohongshu, Little Red Book, as an example. You'll find lots of different types of satisfying videos here. This number indicates the video's likes, so try to choose videos with fewer likes to download. Also, download videos from multiple accounts and avoid any clips with brand watermarks. By splicing together different clips, you can better avoid copyright problems. Once you find a video, click the share button in the bottom right corner to copy the video's URL. Then, search Google for Xiaohongshu Video Downloader. Pick any service, paste the video URL, click Save Video, and you can download the high-quality, watermark-free video. The final step is editing, and we'll use CapCut for this. Even if you have zero editing experience, don't worry. Just follow my steps, and I'll slow things down so you can see everything clearly. First, Import your prepared voiceover and video clips. Let's start with the audio. Drag the first sentence to the timeline, then click Audio, Sound Effects, and search for Timer. Choose a suitable sound effect and place it right after the sentence, adjusting its duration to about 1 second. Next, search for Ding, pick a sound effect, place it after the timer, and adjust the duration. Here's how it should sound.
Put a finger down if you have a favorite place to visit.
Repeat these steps for the rest of the sentences, ensuring each question has a timer and a ding sound effect afterward. Once that's done, click Sound Effect, then Transition, and choose Whoosh for your transition sound effect. Place it at the beginning of each question. That's it for the audio. Easy, right? Now, let's handle the visuals. Drag one of your video clips to the timeline. Select this clip, right-click, and choose Extract Audio to remove the original audio. You'll see this clip has 2 scenes, but we only want one. Click Split at the appropriate spot to divide it, then delete the unwanted part. Next, click Speed and adjust the clip's speed to match the length of the audio. That's all there is to it. I've already used the same method to place the other video clips on the timeline, ensuring each question has a different visual. Finally, let's add captions. Click Captions, then Auto Captions, and hit Generate. In a moment, your captions will be ready. Pick a template you like, adjust the size and position of the captions, then click Text to add a text box. Write the question number, adjust its position, size, font, and style. Add some animation effects by clicking Animation, selecting an entry effect you like, and adjusting the duration. Then click Out to set an exit animation and its duration. Copy and paste this text box above each question, changing the question number each time. Editing may require some patience, but I believe you can handle it. Now, let's watch the final product. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like or subscribe. I hope you achieve great success on YouTube. See you next time.
Put a finger down if you have a favorite place to visit. Put a finger down, Fortune Edition. If you put over 5 fingers down, you are very fortunate. Put a finger down if you have a good friend. Put a finger down if you have a safe neighborhood. Put a finger down if you have enjoyed a holiday recently. Put a finger down if you have a hobby that relaxes you. Put a finger down if you have experienced something beautiful. Put a finger down if you have access to good food. Put a finger down if you have the ability to learn new things. Put a finger down if you can enjoy time outdoors. Put a finger down if you're fortunate enough to subscribe and like the video.